Welcome, welcome.
How we doing, y'all?
Another episode of Shop Walk.
It's gonna be a good one.
Last week we looked at the green Lizard Camaro. We took out both the front and back glass, cleaned it up. We got some more video coming to you on that, as well as the Nomad. So stay tuned. It's gonna be another good episode. Watch the whole thing.
Be ready.
So you got that all cleaned up?
A little bit.
Got the front started yet?
Front's done. Well, front looks like the back.
You just start fitting the glass on there now?
Yeah, so we'll pull the glass out, and then we gotta make some spacers to space it up.
Oh yeah.
And
So you got that perfect gap all the way
Tyler
around.
could open up a box, and we could just kind of,
Hey, let's set one in there and see what it looks like.
you know, just kind
Don't
of.
push down on that too hard.
Alright.
Remember, I got that thing in there.
Y'all want to see what it takes to put a faster glass in? See how it fits straight out of the box?
Straight out of the box.
Straight out of the box. How much of a gap you got over there?
A little bit more than a paint stick.
So
It really fits pretty good.
it actually fits really well. The curve of it's a little. Hold yours up to the. Yeah, I see that.
To make it flush
Well,
with
no, well, like if you're flush right here, but you gotta, and see how bad he is right there. He's got a 1/2 inch gap. Not a gap, but the
Drop.
body is not curved.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, 4 corners are too tall for the glass. But
Overall,
in the hole, it fits
in the hole,
pretty good.
not
Yeah.
too bad. Yeah, that's cool.
Well, that's about as close as you're gonna get it, you know, for making a glass for it, you know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Then you just gotta do your finessing after that. So what would we do here? We're gonna have to,
Well, we'll end up raising it up and getting it spaced up and gap, and then wherever, say for example, where this is flush but this ain't, we'll have to reshape the corners of the body. I think they changed this.
Finesse that a little bit.
Right in here.
Spray foam.
spray foam. Oh, that's the door panel?
Yeah.
I guess that's one way to for sound deadener, huh?
Heck yeah. I found, we're going to go buy us a couple of cases of that stuff. We working way too hard.
You know what's interesting? We've had a few cars, not to put down any other shops, we're not mentioning any names, but we've had some high-end $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 bills that's come in here that customers have bought, and we've done work on it. And we have found stuff like this in those cars. What we find on that truck one time, a socket.
Oh, it was an extension, a 1/4 inch extension.
On the gas tank or something like
No,
that.
it was on the kill switch.
Yeah. To connect the handle of the kill switch up to the actual kill switch was an extension like that long.
And how was it connected?
Oh, it was connected good.
Oh, okay.
It actually was drilled and had a set.
Yeah, it had a set screw
Huh.
Had a dial pin in it,
Yeah,
But-
it was connected.
and I mean, it worked out good. Yeah.
So in this,
And that's working out good. Oh my God! What? Whole car's like this on the back. There's nothing sealed off in it.
huh? That's why the fumes probably getting in there.
Yeah.
So if you remember where the tape was yesterday,
Yeah.
if you look up in either side, you can see.
Yes, I see.
I turn my light on.
Let's see if we can
Pick
see
it up in there. see up in there?
See that insulation?
Yeah.
It's the same insulation that's up top. So it just goes straight
It's
through
solid
the...
open.
It just, the fumes are just... Whoosh.
Huh.
Make that noise too. Whoosh. Yeah. That's the first time I've seen house insulation in a car.
I mean, it probably works. I'm sure it does. Don't keep fumes out.
Yeah. And that's the problem. He's complaining about gas fumes, exhaust fumes in the cab of the car, and that's probably the reason.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we did a little bit of wide body kit on this thing. Is that what you did?
Yeah, overnight we wide bodied it.
Well, let's check it out and see
Although
what
we're still working on the front.
Jerry, was that your idea?
No, that was Tyler all the way.
You know, the NASCAR, they got the yellow stripe on
yeah.
the fin for the rookies. This is
Well, they got that on them
rookie
the
wide.
Dodge Charger.
on those Dodge Chargers too.
That's
You got one on this side too?
No.
No, we hadn't got to this side.
So, what y'all think about that
That was a prototype.
prototype wide body kit on the Camaro? On the Camaro.
It's spot on.
Yeah, you just take
Ah, never remove it.
Bankers,
Cemetery seller.
cemetery plot seller.
That's what it has to look like selling block.
All right, we got the what are we calling this car?
Lizard.
The Green Lizard.
Green lizard.
All right,
Green dog.
because we called it the Hulk last week or whatever. So anyway, the Green Lizard,
It's the Marvel mystery.
the Marvel mystery car. Tyler's going to show us what we found with regards to this exhaust leak. So, hey. All right, so what'd you do this morning?
So we pulled the wheel off, pulled the inner fender out, and if you look this way, I already pulled all that was filled with pink insulation.
Okay, and that goes back around to the where the filler neck
Correct.
is.
Or
Okay.
if you look right up through there, you can see the trunk. That's in the trunk.
Well, yeah. So that's the trunk.
So that's the trunk. And
So-
if you turn this way, you have the quarter glass.
So this is on a C6 Corvette frame, right?
Correct.
So was this inner fender in here from the C6 and they cut it out and fabricate whatever to make it fit, and
Yeah.
then this was what was all behind
So
it?
like that C6,
Yeah.
that's Camaro.
Is that the window regulator?
Yeah. So, you know, normally your wheel well would
Yeah.
close all that out.
Right.
But they just had the plastic wheel tub from the vet, I guess.
So do we have any possible solutions yet? Or do we need to talk to the owner to find out how far he wants us to go with it?
I don't know. I mean, like Travis brought up, why would you go through the work of putting this in there and making it removable? Put this in and seal it so it don't come out, and it would seal up all your...
Oh, I got you. So they just
that
had
was
it
in there.
removable, so if we put it in there,
like
seal
stock,
it up. Yeah.
It was removable with just some push pins, just like normal.
Yeah.
But if it wasn't removable and it was sealed correctly, it'd be...
Might work that way. Yeah.
It would probably work that way.
Gotcha.
Just looking. You can still see light all the way down in there. More pink.
Yeah.
But
And here's the culprit of the problem right here.
everything looks good. All the work and everything that's gone into it. And then
Yeah.
it's just, why not
Yeah.
finish?
Yeah.
Everything else looks sweet on it. It's just...
I mean, that Corvette. Is that straight pipe? No.
No, it's got little mufflers on it.
Yeah.
But
I ain't never heard it. Does it sound pretty good?
not bad. It's not really loud, but I'm sure if you got on it, it'd sound good.
Gotcha. All right. It's what you find on other builds. You know, nobody's perfect. Our cars aren't perfect. I'm sure somebody could get over as well. So just certain things the owner wants. And he didn't have it built. He bought it at auction. So we're trying to fix the things that he wants us to fix on it. So as far as the flush mounted glass, we saw set in the glass on it. At this point, there's no metal work with the Fessler glass on here like there are on the aftermarket glass when we do flush mounted with it. So really it's just body work we got to do on that. So once we get back to working on that, we'll have a new episode on continuing on with the flush mounted for this Green Lizard. So it's a badass car. But
Y'all, I'm Miranda with Creative Rods. Don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.